Welcome back to our channel where we explore the most incredible wonders of the natural world. If you love discovering the wild intelligence of nature, join us, hit subscribe and become part of the modern Tiger Tales family. Today we diving deep into the animal kingdom to uncover 10 mind-blowing defense strategies that will leave you speechless. In the wild, survival is a non-stop battle, and every creature, no matter how big or small, has evolved extraordinary ways to stay alive. From ingenious camouflage to shocking chemical warfare, these wildlife survival secrets are more amazing than any work of fiction. So, grab your virtual safari hat, and let's get started on this incredible journey. First up, one of the most classic and effective defense mechanisms, camouflage. This isn't just about blending in, it's an art form perfected over millions of years. Take the leaf insect, for example. It mimics a leaf so perfectly, with intricate vein patterns and even fake bite marks, that predators often pass right by it. Or consider the snowshoe hare, which changes its fur from brown to white as the seasons shift, allowing it to vanish into a snowy landscape. Camouflage is a fundamental animal defense mechanism that serves a dual purpose. It helps prey avoid becoming a meal and allows predators to ambush their targets undetected. It's nature's ultimate disappearing act, a silent and deadly game of hide-and-seek. Our next strategy is all about deception, mimicry. This is where harmless animals pretend to be dangerous ones, and it's a brilliant evolutionary bluff. The hoverfly is a master of this, sporting the same intimidating yellow and black stripes as a wasp. Predators see those colors and think twice, assuming the hoverfly has a painful sting, when in reality, it's completely harmless. Another incredible example is the viceroy butterfly, which imitates the distinct orange and black pattern of the toxic monarch butterfly. Birds that have learned to avoid the monarch will also steer clear of the viceroy. This clever animal adaptation shows that sometimes looking tough is just as good as being tough. Evolution has turned these creatures into expert con artists, using illusion as their primary shield against danger. Now, let's talk about some serious hardware. Some animals don't need to hide or deceive because they come equipped with their own personal armor. The armadillo is a living fortress. When threatened, it can curl into an almost impenetrable ball, its body protected by tough plates made of bone and keratin. Predators simply can't find a weak spot. Similarly, turtles have been carrying their homes on their backs for millions of years. Their shells provide a safe retreat from danger, a portable bunker they can withdraw into at a moment's notice. And don't forget the pangolin, covered from head to toe in sharp, overlapping scales made of the same material as our fingernails. When it rolls up, it becomes a scaly sphere that even lions struggle to crack. These natural shields are a testament to the incredible diversity of wildlife survival strategies. But defense isn't always about being passive. Some animals go on the offensive with shocking chemical weapons. Meet the bombardier beetle, a small insect with a truly explosive secret. When threatened, it mixes two chemicals in a special chamber in its abdomen, creating a violent reaction. The result is a boiling hot, noxious spray fired at its attacker with a loud pop. It's a chemical explosion that startles, burns, and repels would-be predators. Then there's the skunk, famous for its powerful defensive spray. Its scent glands can shoot a foul-smelling liquid with incredible accuracy, blinding and disorienting attackers. The smell is so potent it can linger for days, a memorable lesson for any predator that gets too close. These animals prove that sometimes, the best defense is a good and very smelly offense. Let's head underwater to explore the masters of escape, octopuses and squids. These intelligent cephalopods have a trick that's straight out of a spy movie. When a predator like a shark or a dolphin gets too close, they release a thick cloud of ink. This dark, dense plume acts as a smokescreen, confusing the attacker's senses and blocking its view. While the predator is disoriented, the octopus or squid makes a quick getaway. But that's not all. The ink can also contain a substance that irritates the predator's eyes and dulls its sense of smell, combined with their ability to change color and texture in an instant. Cephalopods possess some of the most advanced and sophisticated animal kingdom secrets found beneath the waves. They are the ultimate marine illusionists. Survival isn't always a solo mission. For some species, there's strength in numbers, and teamwork is the key to safety. Meerkats are a perfect example of cooperative defense. While the group forages for food, one or more meerkats act as sentinels, standing on their hind legs and scanning the horizon for danger. If a predator, like an eagle or a jackal, is spotted, the lookout lets out a specific alarm call. The call even communicates the type of threat: one sound for an aerial predator, another for a land-based one. This gives the rest of the group precious seconds to dash for the safety of their burrows. This highly organized system shows that survival can be a shared responsibility, a powerful reminder that community and communication are vital in the wild. Next, we have a strategy that's pure theater, playing dead, and no one does it better than the opossum. When faced with a threat it can't fight or flee from, the opossum goes into an involuntary state that mimics death. It goes completely limp, its breathing slows, and it even releases a foul-smelling fluid from its glands, making it seem like it's been dead for a while. Most predators prefer a fresh kill and will lose interest in a seemingly rotten carcass, allowing the opossum to wait until the danger has passed and make its escape. Other animals use deception in different ways. Pufferfish inflate their bodies with water or air, transforming into a large, spiky ball that's impossible to swallow. And the frilled lizard unfurls a huge, colorful neck frill and hisses loudly to intimidate attackers, making itself look much bigger and more dangerous than it actually is. Let's zoom in on the insect world, a realm of incredible innovation. Ants, for instance, are masters of collective defense. When their colony is threatened by a flood, fire ants will link their bodies together to form a living raft, protecting the queen and their young until they find dry land. Army ants can form living bridges to cross gaps in the terrain. And what about caterpillars? Some species have evolved to look exactly like bird droppings, a disguise so convincing that hungry birds fly right past them. Others have bright, startling eye spots on their bodies that mimic the face of a snake, scaring away potential predators. These tiny creatures prove that you don't have to be big to be brilliant. Their mighty nature strategies are the product of millions of years of evolutionary creativity. Of course, sometimes the simplest strategy is the most effective: pure speed and agility. When all else fails, running for your life is a solid plan. Gazelles in the African savanna don't just run in a straight line. They execute incredible zigzag patterns and high-speed leaps, making them an unpredictable and difficult target for predators like cheetahs. Rabbits use their powerful hind legs for explosive bursts of speed and sharp turns to evade foxes and hawks. In the desert, lizards sprint across the hot sand at breathtaking speeds to escape danger. These instinctive movements aren't just about raw velocity, they're about agility, endurance, and outmaneuvering the enemy. It's an elegant dance of survival, demonstrating the timeless power of being quick on your feet. Our final point brings it all together. The animal kingdom is a treasure trove of unbelievable adaptations and survival strategies, from the pangolin's armor to the octopus's ink cloud, and from the meerkat's teamwork to the bombardier beetle's chemical blast. Each species has perfected its own unique toolkit for thriving in a world full of challenges. These incredible animals and their evolutionary marvels give us a profound appreciation for the resilience, creativity, and sheer brilliance of life on Earth. Every time we think we've seen it all, nature reveals another secret that leaves us in awe. What's the most amazing animal defense you've ever heard of? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration of wildlife survival secrets. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible content about the natural world, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.